Hello everyone, it's Zizki out here, my next painting video, and today I'll be doing another video in my Tasmanian acrylic painting series, as well as talking about some of my tips for painting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more content in the coming weeks. Thanks. Now here's a list of the tones I'll be using within this painting. And here's a list of the equipment which I'll be using today. Now I'll list this down in the description below as well. Let's get straight into it. Now here I've done the sky underneath in primary blue and acrylic white, and the clouds with acrylic white, pearl red and some primary blue, and the mountains in a greyish green shade, and primary blue and acrylic white for the water. And for the stones I'm doing some acrylic white, pearl red and some primary blue mixed in with a little bit of yellow mid, and I've applied this with a dab or dot technique to create the effect, impressionistic effect of stones. And for the greenery I've used quite a bit of yellow mid, primary blue and a bit of pearl red, and the yellow and white in the highlights varies, as you can see. So here are 3 of my tips for painting in acrylics just before we finish off. So first of all, you want to apply wet in wet so the colors actually blend correctly. So it's far easier to blend, such as the sky for example, if you use a wet in wet technique than it is if you dry brush or something like that. So secondly, you want to use a lot of paint on the canvas, as you get much stronger colors on the canvas than if you use a very thin layer of paint. And finally, you want to try and use a lot of white and strong highlight colors such as yellow. In acrylics, the paints tend to darken as they dry, so you want to have more vibrant colors for your highlights as they tend to darken off. Don't worry if you think the colors are too bright. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Pebbly Beach at Adventure Bay, and I hope you all really enjoyed this painting. Now stay tuned in the coming weeks as I'll be sharing a lot more tips, and we'll be doing more in-depth tutorial videos. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to continue watching my channel content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.